Trying a pomegranate for the first time. Shut up, thing. Do I like eat the whole thing?
I think so. It looks like a blood capsule. What does it taste like? Is it disgusting?
What am I biting on?
No.
I'm dying. I don't know.
Doesn't really have a taste to it? I gotta go pee.
I don't know, it's like a blackberry kind of taste. I think I ate a seed, don't I? Bam! Doesn't this look appetizing? Alexis, come here. Come, my child. Have you ate a pomegranate before? Have you? No. Come try it. Actually, do you like blackberries? Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Come here then.
I'm so scared to try it.
They taste like blackberries. Eat this.
Ew.
Don't eat like the seed part. I think that's like the seed.
It looks so disgusting.
It tastes like a blackberry.
Ew. Ew.
Where do they get the scent for like hand sanitizers and all that? Tastes and smells nothing like it.
Ew, it smells like blood
Ew,
capsules.
it peed on me.
That stains
What?
clothes.
Whoa.
That stains clothes.
Oh. Yeah, my clothes. This little piece is mine.
You might not want to eat the meat.
Ew. Is that all that's left?
Plus a bag. We've just bought a bag of Howard's bag like 2 weeks ago.
Are the ones that are already made? Did you eat all of those? I was wanting to get some.
Well, you can get some whatever.
Nah, I'm good. You sneezed all over. They look weird. Do you see that?
It looks like blood capsules.
Looks like your mom. Mom.